Look up. Imagine the night sky not with one familiar moon but with two. Luna, our constant companion, and beside it, Selene, a smaller, perhaps reddish moon, racing across the stars. Some nights, both moons would shine together, casting double shadows. Other nights, only one would keep watch. The sky's rhythm would be a complex, ever-changing ballet. The night would rarely be truly dark again. This isn't just a dream, it's a doorway to a different Earth. A second moon would rewrite our planet's story from the very beginning. Every living thing would have grown up under this dual reality. Gravity, light, and even our sense of stability would be transformed. We'd be a people of two moons, our lives shaped by their twin gravitational pulls and their combined glow. Artists and poets would capture this dual-lit world, painting landscapes in new, unimagined shades. Lovers would meet under moonlights, not moonlight. Instead of a single shadow, you'd cast two, dancing and overlapping as you walked. Our curiosity would be doubled, with two nearby worlds to study and dream about. The race to space might have started sooner, driven by the desire to understand our twin companions. From our first moments as a species, we'd know our world is part of a beautiful, complex dance. With two moons, night would become a tapestry of shifting light. On some nights, both Luna and Selene would bathe the world in an otherworldly glow, bright enough to read by. True darkness would be rare. The concept of dead of night might not exist. Eclipses would be more frequent and spectacular. Imagine one moon eclipsing the other, or both turning red in Earth's shadow. Our calendars, tied to lunar cycles, would need reinvention. Which moon would we follow? Luna's 27-day orbit, or Selene's faster path? Civilizations might create dual calendars, or invent new ways to track time. Ancient navigators could use the positions of both moons for precise navigation. Farmers might plant by one moon and harvest by the other. Our entire system of timekeeping would be woven from the threads of two lunar cycles. Our oceans dance to the moon's pull, creating tides. Add Selene, and the tides become wild and unpredictable. When both moons align, their forces combine. High tides surge farther inland, low tides expose vast seabeds. When they're on opposite sides, their pulls might cancel, calming the seas. The regular rhythm of tides would vanish, replaced by a chaotic pattern. Living near the coast would be risky. Cities would need towering stilts or massive seawalls. The intertidal zone would be vast and treacherous, alternately drowned and exposed. Coastal life would be dictated by complex celestial calculations. A sudden alignment could trigger a tidal surge with little warning. If Selene's orbit is eccentric, tides could spike unpredictably. Coastlines would be reshaped by relentless double moon tides. Humanity's relationship with the sea would be one of awe and caution. Wild tides would transform ocean ecosystems. The intertidal zone would be larger and more violent, home only to the hardiest creatures. Intense mixing would supercharge nutrient flows, causing massive plankton blooms and sometimes vast dead zones. Marine life would be in constant flux, forced to adapt to instability. Whales and dolphins might struggle with the roar of turbulent water, their migrations disrupted. Fish spawning grounds would be alternately flooded or left dry. Even the deep ocean would be unsettled, with strong currents stirring up sediment and reshaping the seafloor. Deep-sea vents could be buried or exposed by shifting tides. The entire ocean would be a wilder, more challenging place to live. Our moon stabilizes Earth's tilt, giving us predictable seasons. A second moon would disrupt this balance, pulling Earth in new directions. The result? Our tilt could swing wildly, 15 to 40 degrees over millennia. Greater tilt means extreme seasons. Less tilt, barely any seasons at all. Regions could shift from forest to desert or ice in a few thousand years. Ecosystems would constantly collapse and renew, favoring only the most adaptable species. The length of our day would change too. 2 moons would slow Earth's rotation even more. Days could stretch to 30 or 40 hours. Longer days and nights would mean more extreme temperatures. The fundamental rhythm of life would be altered. Plants and animals would have to adapt to a new, more extreme daily schedule. Evolution would be a frantic race to keep up with a wobbling world. Life would be shaped by constant change. Evolution would take a different path under 2 moons. Constant moonlight might lead to animals with larger eyes, blurring the line between night and day. More creatures would be active at twilight, or whenever the light was right. Animal behavior would be tied to complex lunar cycles. Some might time reproduction to rare double full moons. Migratory animals would need sophisticated navigation to track 2 moving moons. Plants would grow faster in longer days, but struggle through longer, colder nights. Extreme tides would create unique coastal plant communities with deep, resilient roots. Early humans would adapt to bright nights, changing sleep patterns and social life. The chaotic tides would make coastal living dangerous, but also provide rich food sources. Survival would depend on mastering the moon's complex dance. 2 moons would double the richness of our myths. Pantheons would feature twin lunar deities, siblings, lovers, or rivals. Luna might be the wise guardian, Selene, the trickster or bringer of chaos. Nights when both moons shone would be times of power and celebration. Eclipses would be potent omens, woven into stories and rituals. Our language and metaphors would reflect duality between the moons, not just over the moon. Astrology would be far more complex, with destinies shaped by the dance of Luna and Selene. Our search for meaning would have 2 powerful guides in the sky. Civilization would face unique challenges on a 2-mooned Earth. Extreme tides would make coastal engineering a top priority. Massive seawalls, floating cities, and flexible ports. Tidal power would be harnessed early, driving innovation in energy technology. Our power grid would need to handle sudden spikes and drops as the moons shifted. Ocean travel would be dangerous, ships would be stronger, navigation more precise. Exploration might slow, but vast intertidal zones could become natural highways. Science would advance quickly. Astronomy, mathematics, and geology would be essential for survival. Predicting the moon's orbits would be a matter of life and death. More frequent earthquakes and volcanic activity would shape our settlements. Our technology would reflect the challenges and opportunities of our twin moons. So, we look up at our 2 moons, a world of breathtaking beauty. Double shadows, celestial spectacles, and a sky alive with motion. Our connection to the cosmos would be more immediate, but the price would be instability. Raging tides, a wobbling axis, and extreme temperatures would make life harder. Survival would demand resilience and adaptability. Our science, myths, and art would be richer, but our lives more precarious. Civilization would be built on constant risk, shaped by the need to endure chaos. Would you trade our stable, single-moon world for this magnificent, dangerous spectacle? Perhaps there's a unique beauty in the constancy of our 1 moon, a quiet anchor in the vastness of space. The choice between serene solitude and chaotic splendor is a choice between 2 kinds of existence. Which would you choose?